Okay, the next exercise is collage on a theme. The instructions are add 4 images to this web page using the image tag. They should all be related to each other on some theme. The height should be 150 pixels and the width should be 100 pixels. Arrange the 4 pictures into 2 rows of 2 pictures. Separate the rows using a break tag. Make sure to put everything in the body section of the web page. So the collage is going to be 4 images, 2 on each row. And this is an example of one that is a collage of cats. Okay, so you can make your collage on any topic or theme. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I always run the code to see what I have, and it's just the placeholder text. So we can get rid of that, and in place of that, we're going to put in our first image tag. Remember, with the image, you need the source attribute to point to the image that you're wanting to insert, and you can add other attributes to set the width and height. So the height is 150 pixels and the width is 100 pixels. Okay, image is a one-sided tag, so you can just slash and close that. And before I go ahead and start putting images in, I'm just gonna go ahead and set up my other tags. This will make things a lot easier if you end up with these really gigantic URLs, which happens in a lot of cases. Okay, so 100 pixels for the width, and remember one-sided tag, so slash close. We need 2 rows, so we're gonna put a break tag in the center. And rather than typing this all over, I'll just go ahead and paste a copy underneath, since I need 2 more pictures. Okay, if I run the code now, I'll see the placeholders for my images, but you get the broken image icon because our source attribute is empty. So to get some pictures, I'm going to use Google Images. And I'm going to make my collage on emojis because they're fun and we can all use a little pick me up right now. So I'm going to just choose some of my favorites. All right, starting with the laughing face emoji. I really love that one. And yes, this is the one I'm looking for. So to get the URL for your image that you're going to put in the source, you can right click and copy image address. All right, so make sure you select copy image address, not link address. This will take you right to this specific image. So back in my collage, I'll go to my source attribute and paste that in. Okay, so this is what I was talking about with the really long URLs. They can be really super long and then you end up scrolling forever. So let's just run this to make sure it's working. And looks good. It's a little distorted because of the width and height, but not a problem. Let's keep going. All right, so another popular emoji, of course, we all probably overuse this, the heart emoji. Send love to our friends, family. Okay, so I'm going to copy this image address and paste that into my source attribute. Okay, I hope I clicked paste. Okay, that looks good. All right. Another fave of mine is the sushi emoji. I've been really craving sushi lately. So, you guys know how much I love to talk about food. We are going to copy this image address and paste it into our second row. And then, last but not least, it would be very fitting to have some sort of technology emoji in there. And I'll go ahead and look for it, the girl emoji. All right, so looks perfect. Copy image address. All right, I had to get a coder in there and paste. All right, so my final collage should have 4 images and they're on 2 rows each. Okay, so this is what you're aiming for. It does not have to be on emojis. You can choose any topic or theme you want. I just felt like using this one. Okay, guys, any questions, leave them down below.